Hey guys, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Google account in Attribuly. It's very easy, so just follow the steps that I will be providing you. First, you need to log into your Shopify account and please make sure that you have already installed Attribuly. Next, on the left of your screen, you will see our Tools tab. You just need to click Integration. Now, once you are there, you will see a bunch of options here. You just need to go to Google. Once you click Google, you just need to connect your account in Google and just log in here. Once you are logged in, you are going to see the option for your ad. You just need to enable the ad that you want it to be tracked. And once done, you just need to click connect and you will see the ad here. And there you have it. You now have the option to enable the ad to be tracked and your Google account is now connected. It's fairly easy to connect, guys. So if you have any questions in the future or have issues connecting your Google account, please don't hesitate to contact support and we're going to assist you. Have a great day, guys.